Once upon a time, in the vibrant land of Alphabetia, there lived a wise and kind teacher named Miss Arya. She was known far and wide for her ability to teach the A to Z alphabets with beautiful pictures that made learning fun and engaging for all her students. One sunny morning, Miss Arya gathered her young pupils around her in the cozy classroom filled with colorful posters and books. The children, ranging in age from 7 to 13 years old, eagerly awaited the day's lesson. Miss Arya smiled at her students and said, "Today, we are going to embark on a magical journey through the alphabet from A to Z with the help of some enchanting pictures." The children's eyes lit up with excitement as they eagerly listened to Miss Arya's instructions. She held up a picture of an apple and said, "A is for apple, a delicious fruit that starts with the letter A." The children oohed and ahead at the sight of the juicy red apple in the picture, their mouths watering at the thought of taking a bite. Next, Miss Arya showed a picture of a bright yellow banana and said, "B is for banana, a healthy snack that begins with the letter B." The children giggled as they imagined peeling the banana and enjoying its sweet taste. As the lesson continued, Miss Arya introduced the children to a variety of objects and animals that corresponded to each letter of the alphabet, from the majestic lion for L to the playful dolphin for D. The children were captivated by the colorful pictures and fascinating facts that Miss Arya shared with them. One by one, the children eagerly participated in the lesson, pointing to the pictures and reciting the corresponding letters. They were filled with a sense of accomplishment as they successfully identified each item and added it to their growing knowledge of the alphabet. As the lesson drew to a close, Miss Arya smiled at her students and said, "You have all done a wonderful job today, my young scholars. Remember, learning the alphabet is not just about reciting letters, but about exploring the world around you and discovering new things every day." The children cheered and clapped, grateful for Miss Arya's guidance and wisdom. They left the classroom that day with a newfound appreciation for the A to Z alphabets and a deep sense of curiosity about the world of possibilities that lay ahead. And so, with the help of Miss Arya's magical teaching method and enchanting pictures, the children of Alphabetia learned the A to Z alphabets with joy and wonder, embarking on a lifelong journey of discovery and learning that would stay with them forever. In the land of Alphabetia, Miss Arya's classroom became a place of inspiration and imagination where young minds were nurtured and hearts were filled with the boundless potential of knowledge and creativity. And as the children grew and flourished, they carried with them the lessons of the alphabet, forever grateful for the teacher who had sparked their love of learning. And so, the story of teaching the A to Z alphabets with pictures in the magical land of Alphabetia lived on, a timeless tale of the power of education, imagination, and the joy of discovery.